Welcome to Pluralsight and this Red Team's Tool course featuring the Bash Bunny from Hack 5. Bash Bunny is a hardware-based all-in-one attack platform that penetration testers and ethical hackers can use to craft attacks against multiple platforms, and then either use it to exfiltrate data or implant further command and control payloads. One of the most important parts of a Red Team engagement is the initial access and how to exfiltrate important information to help you gain a deeper foothold into your target environment. In this course, we will explore the function of the Bash Bunny and why it's so useful as an attack platform to perform the first steps of your attack. Once set up with either the default payloads or with specially crafted attacks, you can hand off the actual attack to other team members no matter what their skill level. With a flick of the switch, the Bash Bunny has the ability to turn anyone on your team into an expert hacker. Come join me as we explore the different uses of the Bash Bunny and how to set up and use your Bash Bunny and how to craft the perfect attack to gain initial access for your next Red Team engagement.